Hey Filmator! Today, I'll show you how you can quickly fill your templates with royalty-free media and export them into separate scenes effortlessly using our bulk tools. First up, make sure your template is all set with multiple scenes. Now, hit the import button. You'll see two options: fill gaps and replace all. Fill gaps fills only the empty scenes, while replace all changes media in every scene. There's also a loop option. Choose a few images and the tool will loop through them across your scenes. Next, let's select Unsplash as our content provider. You could also use your own album, file system, Pexels, or Pixabay. Pick a few pictures. Remember, they'll loop in the order you select. With just a tap, your scenes are now filled with media. Time for music. To export each scene as a separate video, choose the Per Scene option. This makes each scene feel like its own standalone video. For music, you can import from your album, files, Pixabay, or a URL. Let's use Pixabay for its awesome music collection. And just like that, each scene has media and copyright-free music. Want to change the scene duration? Easy. In the drop menu, select All. Then, choose Duration. Set the new time, and you're done. All scenes updated in a flash. Now, for exporting, select Export Scenes separately, hit Export, and soon you'll have a bunch of individual videos with music and media. Bonus tip: don't miss our other videos on creating scenes with dynamic content from AI in just a few taps. It'll level up your video making game. See you in the next video.